up, YouTube? It's your boy Larry up here at Forest Park. The homie Frank.
Yo.
You already know what time it is. So look, today is a special day. I'm meeting up with one of our longtime supporters. His name is Wade. He's been supporting us since I had the RX7. He has the RX7, man. So it's a very exciting day, man. Y'all gonna flip when you see this RX7. It is so clean. I can't believe this dude been following our channel since basically we started. So stay tuned. If you haven't already, give us a like and subscribe, and we'll be right back. So yeah, you know, we up here with the cars. Got the grill.
Waiting on ice to come.
You know, got burgers, hot dogs.
Gotta wipe my car
Dirty
off.
cars. I cleaned my car up a little bit.
Oh, look. I got hand sanitizer.
Sanitize.
For you germaphobes.
Corona times.
Corona!
Hot dogs.
Hot dogs, yeah.
Hot dogs.
Yeah, so Wade went to go grab some charcoal for the barbecue. We got Frank doing a quick wash with the McGuire's quick detailer. Shout out to McGuire, sponsor us.
Yeah, you really need all the extra.
You know, got my little car over here, cleaned it up a bit. Oh my God. Get up.
I was like,
Man, right?
yeah.
Right. Oh my God.
For real. He was like, go ahead.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Man.
What's up, y'all? So, it's been a great day. We've been out here at Forest Park chilling all day. Wade's car is amazing.
Go to homie Anthony's new car, GS. All right, y'all, so we've been kicking it all day, barbecue. Wade's heading out with the RX7, but gonna get some startup clips. RX7 looking great. Yes, sir.
Good try. Nice. Oh my goodness. I'll go now. I know. Subscribe today and back it up. I'm backing up.
Yeah!
Yeah.
Awesome!
Scary. You scared the heck out of me.
We're gonna send them to you and we'll let you know when the video drops. Yeah, we're gonna let you
Yep.
All
All right, man.
Be safe.
Good meeting you.
Hey, you guys too, man.
All right, bro.
All right. So that
Oh my
was Wade.
God.
That was Wade, baby. You know what I'm saying? The infamous Wade.
Man.
We've been like talking back and forth with him online for like 3 years.
Right.
He started following us because of Larry's RX7. If you guys don't know about that, Larry had an RX7 FC. Go back and check that out. Oh, dude. And yeah, bro. So it's just been a great day. I want to thank everybody who came out and made the day awesome. And y'all know what to do.
Oh my God. Subscribe.
Check out the Instagram. Fucks with the Instagram and subscribe. Subscribe.